Hello and welcome. If you're preparing to sell your home, you're in the right place. One of the most critical steps in the process is the home inspection. I'm Shannon Ellison of the Walker team, and in this video, we're going to guide you through just how to prepare for your home inspection and what you should expect. Let's get started. Number one, preparing your home. To ensure a smooth inspection, start by decluttering your home. Clear out any unnecessary items from areas like the attic, basement, crawl spaces. This is going to give the inspector easy access to all of the parts of your home. Next, you want to make sure it's clean and tidy. This doesn't affect the inspection report directly, but it creates a positive impression for potential buyers. The buyers are going to see photos the inspector takes. Then address any minor repairs. Rips like fixing light bulbs, leaky faucets, tightened doorknobs. Make those small fixes because they can prevent unnecessary red flags in that report. Next is ensuring accessibility. You want to ensure all areas of your home are accessible, so unlock those doors, outbuildings, electrical panels, clear all the paths to attics, crawl spaces, and utility areas. Outside, trim trees and shrubs away from the house, clean all those leaves and debris from the gutter, and ensure the downspouts are in the proper position. Prepare your systems and utilities. Run the water in every sink and bath and check for clogs. Replace filters in your HVAC system to ensure it's working efficiently, and make sure all of the utilities are turned on, including electricity, gas, and water. This is going to allow the inspector to test all of them properly. What to expect during the inspection. So during the inspection, the inspector is going to evaluate your home's condition, including its structure, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems. They'll provide a really detailed report highlighting any issues that are found. Now, this report can help you address any problems before listing your home, reducing potential surprises and negotiations with the buyers. Choose a qualified inspector. If you decide to get a pre-listing inspection, which you should, choose a qualified inspector. Look for certifications from organizations like ASHI or InterNACHI, and read online reviews to ensure that they are reliable and thorough. So in conclusion, follow these steps. You're going to be well prepared for your home inspection, and remember, transparency and preparation are the key to a successful sale. And a couple of bonus tips for sellers: gather your receipts. Keep records of any maintenance or repairs that you've done to your home. Disclose those known issues. Be transparent about any known problems because you're going to build trust with the buyers. Next, consider a pre-inspection. Identify and fix issues before listing your home to avoid surprises during the buyer's inspection. And that's all I've got for you guys today. I know it was a lot, but thank you for watching and good luck with your home sale.